In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage with Autoplay. Let's dive right in and uncover the simple steps to make your online store even more engaging. First things first, we'll need to access the site editor. This is where you'll have all the tools necessary to customize your Shopify homepage. Once you're in the editor, you can choose the exact spot where you'd like your video to appear. To do this, you'll click on Add section in the location you've decided to place your video. Now, it's time to select the video section. It's important to note that depending on the theme or template you're using, this option might vary. But generally, if your template supports videos, you'll find a section dedicated to this purpose. Simply select it, and you'll see it appear on your page, ready for customization. With the video section in place on your homepage, direct your attention to the right-hand panel. This is your control center for adjusting the properties of your video. Here, you'll see various options and settings that pertain specifically to the video section you've just added. Next, you'll need to add your video source. This is essentially the link to the video you want to feature. It could be a video from a hosting service or your file uploaded directly to Shopify, depending on what your theme supports. Once the source is added, you'll want to make sure it's set to autoplay. In the Properties panel, you'll find an option for autoplay. Simply toggle this feature on, and it ensures that your video will start playing automatically whenever someone visits your homepage. And there you have it. You've successfully added a video to your Shopify homepage with autoplay. It's a straightforward process, yet it can dramatically enhance the dynamic feel of your site and capture visitors' attention right off the bat. To recap, what you've done today is harness the power of visual motion to engage your audience from the moment they land on your page, potentially increasing the time they spend exploring your products. This is a simple yet powerful way to make your website not just more informative, but also more compelling. If you run into any theme-specific limitations or issues, remember, the Shopify community and support forums are great places to seek guidance. Each theme may slightly differ in its capabilities, so there's always help at hand should you need it. Thank you for tuning in and following along with us today. Adding video to your Shopify homepage is a fantastic way to stand out in the crowded online market. Until next time, happy selling!